Hello everyone, Tom Dowling, LensCaptureOnline. I'm here in beautiful Cornerstone Park in Henderson, Nevada. I'm here to test these new XREAL ONE AR glasses that I'm going to be connecting to my RC2 controller in order to fly the DJI Air 3S. Now this combination together might be a real game changer. The XREAL ONE is packed with cutting-edge AR tech in a sleek, lightweight frame. Inside, there are dual Micro-OLED 1080p displays in a wide 52-degree field of view. That's like viewing a 130-inch screen floating right in front of you. They connect to the controller using the supplied USB-C cable, and you'll see one end of this cable is angled so that it fits the temple arm of the glasses, and the other end plugs directly into the USB-C port on the RC2 controller. What's pretty unique about these glasses is the fact that they don't need their own power supply, as they derive the power directly from the RC2 controller or the device in which you're plugged into. The lenses feature built-in UV protection, polarization to cut glare, and electrochromic dimming that you can use to adjust to the ambient light. So this pretty much makes it perfect for flying on bright days without losing that screen clarity or your eye comfort. So one of the coolest features is this 3 degrees of freedom tracking, aka DOF. So the glasses can detect my head rotation and movement, and the virtual screen can follow me, or I can anchor that screen and it stays in place, and when I move my head, that screen remains where it is. I like the follow mode. Wherever I move my head, I keep that full screen image of the RC2 right in my direct line of sight. Flying with the XREAL ONE is a huge upgrade. You get the entire drone feed right in your field of view. Telemetry, camera, maps, without ever having to look down. It's like having a floating screen in the air, right where you need it. And since the lenses are see-through, you got full awareness of your environment. So it's like flying FPV without goggles. Using the XREAL ONE AR glasses is a lot like flying FPV, except you don't have that closed-in feeling. I can see all around me, but what I see on the screen right here is about a 130-inch flat screen floating about 5 meters in front of me. To me, it just doesn't look cool. I think it's a game changer. So would I recommend these? Absolutely. My eyes aren't getting any younger. It's pretty bright out here. And trying to look at this 700 nit screen, then having to put sunglasses on, it really washes out the screen. So what's nice about these is the sunglass portion is on the outside of your viewing plane, so it doesn't obscure the clarity of the screen. The color is pretty true to what you see on your RC2, and I get all my telemetry, easy to read. So to me, it is a game changer. Highly recommend it. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, I really appreciate you dropping a comment, give me a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe to me. And I placed a link down in the description if you're interested in picking up a pair of these. XREAL did not send these to me. The payment for these came directly out of my own pocket. So this is a true, honest review. I think this is something that's going to be now part of my kit every time I go out to fly. Thanks again. Take care, all.